In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Hostinger. If you're looking to unlock more features, need additional resources, or just want to explore new opportunities with Hostinger, this guide is perfect for you. We're going to take this process step by step. So whether you're new to Hostinger or just need a refresher, you'll be upgrading your plan in no time. Let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. Head over to Hostinger's website and locate the login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click it and enter your account credentials. If you happen to have forgotten your password, no worries. Simply click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the billing section. You can find this section within your dashboard. Just look for a billing tab. It's generally visible on the main menu at the top of the dashboard interface. Clicking, this will take you to your current billing information and options. Now, within the billing section, you'll see an option labeled Upgrade Plan. This is your next stop. By clicking on Upgrade Plan, you'll be directed to a page that displays various hosting plans available for upgrade. Take your time to explore the different plans. Consider factors such as the features offered, pricing, and whether these align with your future goals hosting-wise. Hostinger generally provides a clear comparison between your current plan and the available upgrades, which can significantly ease your decision-making process. Once you're confident about which plan suits your needs, go ahead and select it. It's important to double-check this choice to ensure it aligns with what you're looking for both in terms of immediate needs and potential growth. Confirm your selection, and you'll typically be asked to provide payment details if required and review the final details of your new plan. After confirming your choice, you might receive a notification confirming the upgrade. This notification ensures that all changes have been successfully processed and gives you peace of mind that your hosting environment is enhanced as expected. Remember, upgrading your Hostinger plan is an excellent way to enhance your website's capabilities, ensuring that it runs more efficiently and adapts as your needs evolve. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your plan on Hostinger. Whether this is your first time or you're a regular user, each upgrade is a step toward optimizing your digital presence to its fullest potential. If you have any more questions or run into issues, Hostinger's support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.